Hello everyone, my name is Zach from Amber, here today with another product. The product we have today is an ozone disinfector by Okayozone, which is a subsidiary company of Amber. The product model is the AM500. It produces 500 milligrams per hour of ozone and uses an operation voltage of AC 110 volts. Let's take a deeper look into this product. As you have noticed, this product is similar in outlook to the AM500, but this product does not have a car power input. It only has a main plug, silicone tube and 2 air stones. It has an on and off button. Up button that takes you from preserve freshness to remove toxins and sterilize medical equipment. It also has a down button that takes you steps backwards. On the right side of the product you have the ozone outlet. On the back of the product you have the air inlet and the hanging loops. Let's test this product. Remember to tightly fit in the silicone tube to the ozone outlet and make sure the air stone is at the bottom of the water basin. When the product is turned on, its timer is set to 0 seconds and 0 minutes. When the on button is pressed, it sets to 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, 15, 20, 30 minutes. When the down button is pressed, it takes you a step backwards. As you can see, the product is working. Remember to always keep the product above the water level of the tube to make sure no water runs through the tube and back to the machine. To find out more information about this product, please visit our website amber.com, which is AMBOHR, or Okayozone.com, which is OKAYozone.com. All products in these videos can be modified to our customers' liking. Find our links in the description below, and remember that we provide comprehensive protection, provide systematic solutions. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you make requests, we do the rest.